Hey, teens, let's talk money. It's never too early to start thinking about your financial future. Managing money is important for everyone, especially teens. You're at a stage where you're beginning to earn and spend your own money. You're starting to make your own choices about spending and saving. These decisions will shape your financial habits for years to come. Learning about budgeting now sets you up for success later. It's a skill that will benefit you throughout your life. It's like learning to drive before you get on the highway. You need to know the rules and practice to be confident. You'll feel more confident and in control. Knowing how to manage your money gives you a sense of empowerment. Budgeting helps you understand where your money goes. It shows you how much you have and how much you can spend. It helps you make smart choices with your cash. You can prioritize what's important and avoid unnecessary expenses. Do you want the latest video game or a fun weekend trip with friends? Budgeting helps you balance your wants and needs. Budgeting helps you make those tough decisions. It gives you a clear picture of your financial situation. When you budget, you plan how to use your money to reach your goals, whether it's saving for college or buying something special. Think of budgeting as your roadmap to financial freedom. It guides you towards achieving your dreams. It helps you avoid debt and stress. By managing your money wisely, you can stay out of financial trouble. It puts you in the driver's seat of your financial future. You have the power to control your financial destiny. So are you ready to become a money master? Let's dive in and start this exciting journey together. Budgeting doesn't have to be scary. It can actually be quite empowering and fun once you get the hang of it. It's like a simple recipe with a few key ingredients. Just follow the steps and you'll be on your way to financial success. First, you need to know how much money you have coming in. This is your income. It could be from a part-time job, allowance, or gifts. Every bit counts and adds up over time. Next, you track your expenses. This is crucial to understanding where your money goes. Expenses are what you spend money on. They can be big or small, but they all add up. This includes things like snacks, movie tickets, clothes, and video games. Even the little things can make a big difference. Write down everything you spend for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. You might be surprised where your money goes. It's an eye-opening experience. Now, subtract your expenses from your income. This simple calculation is key to budgeting. This tells you how much money you have left over. It's important to know your financial standing. Ideally, you want some money left over to save. Savings are crucial for future goals and emergencies. If you spend more than you earn, you need to adjust your spending habits. It's all about making smart choices. Budgeting is about finding a balance between spending and saving. It's a skill that will serve you well throughout life. It's about making your money work for you. With a good budget, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy peace of mind. One important part of budgeting is understanding the difference between wants and needs. Needs are things you can't live without, like food, water, shelter, and basic clothing. Wants are things you'd like to have but aren't essential for survival. Think new shoes, the latest smartphone, or concert tickets. It's easy to get caught up in wanting everything, but when you budget, you learn to prioritize. Ask yourself, do I need this item or do I just want it? If you can wait, save up for your wants. Delaying gratification is a great skill to learn. It means you're thinking long-term, and that's smart. Ready to create your own budget? Start by choosing a budgeting method. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Find what works best for you. Next, list all your sources of income. Include your job earnings, allowance, or any money you receive regularly. Then list all your expenses. Divide them into categories like food, entertainment, clothes, and transportation. Now allocate your income to different categories. Decide how much you'll spend on each category based on your priorities. Remember to include a category for savings. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, and so will your budget. The key is to stay organized and track your spending. Section 5. Saving power, watch your money grow. Saving might seem boring, but it's super important. It's the foundation of financial success. When you save, you set aside money for future goals. These goals can be short-term or long-term. It could be for a new phone, a car, college, or even a dream vacation. The possibilities are endless. Start by setting a savings goal. This gives you a clear target to aim for. How much do you want to save each week or month? Consistency is key. Even small amounts add up over time. Every little bit counts. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. Each level brings you closer to victory. Each dollar you save gets you closer to your goal. It's a step-by-step process. Look for ways to boost your savings. There are many strategies you can use. Can you cut back on unnecessary spending? Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Can you earn extra money by doing chores or a part-time job? Extra income can accelerate your savings. The more you save, the faster you'll achieve your goals. It's a rewarding experience. Saving teaches you patience and discipline. These are valuable life skills. It helps you prepare for unexpected expenses and reach your dreams. Your future self will thank you. Section 6. Budgeting tools, apps and more. Budgeting doesn't have to be old school with pen and paper. Many apps and websites can help you track your money like a pro. These tools make budgeting fun and easy. Some popular budgeting apps for teens include Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Every Dollar. These apps connect to your bank accounts and categorize your transactions automatically. They provide a clear picture of your spending habits. You can also find free budgeting templates and worksheets online. These resources offer a structured way to manage your money. Experiment with different tools to find what suits your style. Technology can be your best friend when it comes to budgeting. Section 7. Budgeting challenges. You got this. Budgeting isn't always easy. You might face challenges along the way. You might overspend sometimes or have unexpected expenses pop up. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. The key is to learn from your mistakes and adjust your budget accordingly. If you overspend in one category, try to cut back in another. If you have an emergency expense, dip into your savings. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you're struggling. Talk to your parents, a trusted adult, or a financial advisor. They can provide guidance and support. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a race. You'll make mistakes, but you'll also learn valuable lessons along the way. Section 8. Your financial future, bright and secure. Congratulations, you've reached the end of our budgeting adventure. By now, you have the knowledge and tools to master your money. Remember, budgeting is a lifelong skill that will serve you well. When you budget wisely, you set yourself up for a brighter financial future. You'll be able to achieve your goals, avoid debt, and live a more secure and fulfilling life. So keep learning, keep saving, and keep making smart financial choices. The future is yours to shape.